What is going on? Today is Tuesday, March 7th, and today we had some issues with Tradovate. NinjaTrader also, in general, was having trouble. I could not sign into Tradovate, and when the news hit this morning, it froze. It kept logging me out, and it wouldn't let me log back in, so I wasn't really able to do anything on the future side of things. So I decided to jump on over to Thinkorswim and trade some options contracts. So today was a little bit different. The P&L that I imported is slightly incorrect because one of my contracts, my put contracts, I did a swing over the weekend. I bought a put option that expired this Friday, and I sold it today. I just wanted to get out just because the news dropped real big. So I'm going to pull up because the $20 P&L for today is not correct. So right here, we're on Thinkorswim. And if you look over here for my P&L for the day, I finished the day at $144. So 120 of that is this March 10th expiration 404 strike price put option, and that netted me $120 today. I did have a couple of other trades, and we'll break down those other trades. But this one, I bought this put option. I bought it last week when we hit around 450, 460. And I thought we were going to top out at 450, 460, and it looks like it went in that direction. So I think it was a pretty good decision. So I do like swings. Maybe not day trading as much. Maybe to start incorporating a little bit more. A couple of swing positions here and there just to kind of get larger market moves versus like intraday kind of small scalp stuff. So that'll be something I'm going to consider moving forward. Otherwise, $144 total today, and we're going to break down the other trades that I had that comprise the other $20. So the first one was shortly after I sold the swing position. This one was just a quick scalp. These candles right here, this was shortly after one of the Fed speakers was speaking today. And I mean, just absolutely bonkers like sell off here. I didn't feel comfortable trading that just because, for obvious reasons, a lot of volatility. You don't really know what's going to happen. Yes, obviously, in hindsight, there was a lot of weakness in the market, but that's not really a reason for me to trade. I still was also waiting for this pullback here. I didn't know how far this was going to pull back, if we were going to go back to close all the way to the pre-news. I just wanted to kind of see how that was playing out. So I waited probably 10, 15 minutes after. And what I started to see here was this, what looked to be kind of a head and shoulders setup here. So here's a shoulder, the head, and another shoulder. And so I decided to enter short on this second candle after this one closed, and I was thinking, hey, head and shoulders pattern looks good on the entry, and it turns out I was right. I did get out. I got a decent move for about $40, 37 after commissions. So I felt pretty good about that, especially after selling my swing position. The next two trades were just over trading. I probably shouldn't have traded. Today was a mentally kind of a bad day for me, so I felt the need to just try to get more on top of the what I had already made in the morning, and so I kind of gave a little bit back on the next two trades, but it's not the end of the world. I gave back about $20 on this next trade. Still, these next two trades I was chasing. I guess there's a lot of FOMO for me. I saw so many people making big money off of this news trading. And I just felt like I was getting left behind. And so I was just kind of trying to chase it on the way down. And obviously just not good to be chasing things, after the move's already happened. So really textbook, just don't chase. The last trade was just a simple, another chase, but I kind of let this one run back on me instead of canceling it. And ended up getting out for just $1.32. So pretty short day. I was done by about noon, and pretty simple day. I didn't want to overcomplicate anything. Uh, Obviously, Tradovate being down today was pretty significant. I prefer futures as of right now, and not being able to do that this morning was kind of annoying, and I didn't feel comfortable trading options contracts on such a high volatility day with the news, and I just didn't really want to risk my options premiums kind of varying wildly. The ones that I did have today, I tried to get in and out pretty quickly, so I wasn't going to be losing a lot off of these like huge volatility swings from the news. Otherwise, I'm hoping Tradovate gets their stuff together, and NinjaTrader gets their stuff together, and that I can actually log into the stuff tomorrow and get back to trading. So, other than that, that's really all I have. And until tomorrow, peace.